This product has made over $200,000 in passive income in the past 3 months. If you want to know how you could also make these massive amounts, watch the video until the end to find out. That's right, making a giant passive income with ChatGPT is kids' play now. In this video, you are going to learn how to create passive income with ChatGPT by only selling digital printable products on Etsy. This video is going to be a life-changing experience for you because in this video, we will cover how to create digital products with ChatGPT and design them with Canva. We will also explain how to list these products on Etsy and create revenues. So by the end of this video, you will have first-hand experience of researching winning products on Etsy. As well, you will also learn the creative art of designing on Canva and listing the products on Etsy in the right way to generate passive income. Either you skip this video and let someone else earn $20K a month, or you watch the full video until the end and become a millionaire yourself. The choice is yours. Before starting a business on Etsy, conducting a thorough research on the product is very important. I know you might be thinking, now why is the research part so important? Well, this is because excellent research gives you an edge over your competitors, and it also helps you find the right product. Therefore, the first technique I would like you to master is the art of researching the product, and it's super easy. But before researching the product, the most important step is picking a niche. So, to solve this problem, I went to ChatGPT and asked it to give me some product ideas that I could sell on Etsy. And these are the ideas it gave me. I liked the idea of printable wall art because this is something I could create very easily. And it also generates a good income because since the products are digital, there are no production or shipping costs involved, resulting in higher profit margins. Additionally, the potential customer base for printable wall art products is quite broad, including homeowners, renters, and businesses, which means that the potential revenue can be quite significant. But this does not mean you can just pick the same idea. ChatGPT has the ability to give you unlimited ideas, and you can pick anything you like. So don't worry. After I picked this idea for my business, the next step I did was breaking this niche down to match the potential audiences. So I asked the chatbot to again write me the sub-niches of the original idea I picked, and it gave me these. These ideas were good, but we can do better. So I asked the chatbot for more. This time, it gave me other pretty good ideas. And I decided to go with the inspirational quotes for wall art because, again, this is something we can create very easily. So now that ChatGPT gave us the ideas for the digital product and broke down the niche, we could move on to the next step to wealth. Now we actually come to the part where we research the product that we picked earlier. So when it comes to researching products on an online marketplace, there is only one rule, which is to look for what the buyers think about the product themselves. And to find this out, you can simply search for the products in the search bar section of Etsy. By doing this, you can get tons of well-selling products with a number of reviews, like I did here by searching products related to my niche, and I found a lot of products with a number of reviews. You can get as many products as you want, but always remember to pick a product that gets new reviews daily because it shows that the product is selling well. I picked this product because, as you can see, it has received a lot of reviews and is still receiving daily. So, it means this is a good selling product, and we can create something like this ourselves as well. Also, we can analyze this product and add value to our own. To analyze the product, you need to look for two kinds of reviews. First, look for what buyers appreciate about the product, which means good reviews. After that, look for what buyers complain about, which means bad reviews. For example, this review shows the seller is writing custom quotes over the posters, and we can do it as well to keep selling them. Let's look at another one. This review touches on another angle, and the buyer is asking for adding some color to the poster. This means we can make our product better when we design it with colorful art. Now that we have researched and analyzed the product, we know what the buyers like about this product and what they don't. So, keeping this in view, we can now create a better product than our competitors. After being done with the research part of this video, now let me show you how to create the product using ChatGPT and Canva. So, the first thing you need to do is go to the chatbot and ask it for some inspirational quotes. The chatbot will give you a number of quotes and you can choose any quote you think is best. And remember, you can always ask the chatbot for more, and it will give you more and more quotes just the way you like it. Now that we have produced the quotes with ChatGPT, let's go to Canva and design the products. First, open up Canva and search for printable posters, and you can find tons of outstanding posters that you can customize in any way you like. After looking at several posters, I liked this one and picked it for customization. I copied the first quote generated by ChatGPT, and after removing the unnecessary parts, I pasted it over the poster like this. Now look at that! We just made our first printable poster in the blink of an eye. And this is not all. In Canva, you can always change and rechange fonts, colors, and sizes to make your posters look better and more vivid. So, after playing around with Canva for some time, I changed the colors and fonts of the same poster and changed it into this, another amazing poster. For 1 hour, I tried some other posters as well and designed these 30 by putting all the quotes one by one generated by ChatGPT over them. After I was done with creating the poster images, what I needed was the product listing templates for Etsy. But you might be thinking, where will I find them? Don't worry, my friend. You are all covered. Canva provides several free product listing templates as well that can help you make wonderful listing images for your product. So again, I searched for some product listing templates on Canva and I found this. In no time, with just drag and drop, I created this listing image for my product. This is pretty simple with Canva. You can make other product listing images as well. After I was done with the design, I downloaded the posters in PDF format and the listing images in JPEG. Now that we have our products and listing images ready, let me show you how you can list the products on Etsy and start earning money in no time. Opening an Etsy shop is free, but it requires 20 cents to list a product. To open your Etsy shop, the first thing you need to do is go to the Etsy website and open your Etsy store. After answering some basic questions and putting in all the necessary information, you can set up your store in no time. However, while setting up your store, it requires you to list a product, which you can delete later. After you sign up for your shop, make sure to change your profile picture because that's very important when buyers come to your store and look for you. Also, you need to put a good banner at the top of your shop, which you can find very easily on Canva. Now, to list the product, click on the listing and then add a listing. You can upload all the images and listings here that you made earlier. You can also add a video here if you want to. After this, add a title. Adding a title is very important, and you should include all the keywords your competitors use for their products, but remember not to copy all their texts word by word. After the title, choose the product category and set the renewal option to automatic. Also, ensure the product type is digital. After this, you can add more details about your product in the description. As ChatGPT has helped us a lot, it can do it again here by writing you the best description. You can also add tags here related to your product, and here you can set up your price and quantity. For new sellers, it is best to start at a minimum price, but that's not necessary. Here, you can upload all the digital PDF files that we downloaded, and this is what the buyers can download after the purchase. Congratulations! You just listed your first product on Etsy. And don't worry, Etsy will take care of all the deliveries and payments after this. You can list as many products as you need, and Etsy will keep on managing it for you. And this is the reason why Etsy is the best option while making a sustainable passive income stream. Isn't it amazing that you just learned an incredible way to make passive income with ChatGPT and Etsy? So why wait? Open your Etsy shop now and earn. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button first. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if you like earning money online, don't forget to subscribe to Income Booster and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.